I can't wait for the foam. Suppose pack up gear, go make some dinner, and yeah, get ready for musky season tomorrow. I really hope it's actually gonna be a good year. Been trying for this to be the 4th season, and yeah, I it's fishing. What can I say? It's fishing. You can't ask for much more. You really can't. Even a bad day on the lake. Oh, I can talk. Yeah, great, grand, wonderful. Even a bad day on the lake is better than a good day sitting at home. So, yeah, I got a few more things to do. I'm gonna remove that buggy. That way, since it's a solo mission tomorrow, I actually get the front. Damn tree. I get the front of the boat for once. 4 years though in the boat. First time getting the fish out of the front. Yep. Should be good. And I will be trying to go live tomorrow on YouTube. We're going to try that and see how it works. I've never done it before, but we'll see what happens. Put it that way. We'll see what happens. I'll try to get something out there so you guys can actually see what I'm doing instead of me just posting stuff and, oh yeah, he did this, he did that. Yeah, okay. I'll try to get video of it tomorrow. But like I said, it should be interesting. Solo musky mission. Watch, tomorrow I hook into a double nickel and I'm by myself. I'll take it. I know what to do. I got hook cutters, I got net, I got jaw spreaders, I got pliers. Golden. So, anywho's, we will catch up with you guys tomorrow. And hopefully put something on the board. 2024 Muskie opener. Peace.